Yep, it's me again, guys. I'm getting ready to replace this fuel injector on a 2014 Chevy Sierra 4.3. Yep, so this fuel injector is pretty difficult to do, man. I've done this before and I kind of damaged the fuel rail. So if you are gonna do this type of job, it's very difficult, man. I struggle until today. I still struggle. So I've done it before, I struggle, and I struggle again. So, but it's a job. You gotta keep going. You gotta get the car done, you know? So you're the mechanic or the tech, so you gotta make your thing happen, I guess. So I try and, you see me on this type situation right now. I'm trying to pry her up, and it still won't budge. So I was like giving up for a minute, man. I almost gave up my day because this fuel injector is totally jammed and stuck there. So I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck for this moment, and then I kind of like take a break for a minute, see what else can I do. I don't want to damage the fuel rail, you know, and then because if you bent that fuel rail, you have to replace it, you know, and those things are not cheap. So I end up finding a other way around. So I'm trying to use the slide hammer. Obviously you see me with the slide hammer, you know. So I got the first one off, I broke it loose, and the second one I got the second one loose too, but the third one, man, it was still stuck there. I don't know what it is. There's got to be something about this fuel injector. This is one of those mechanic don't like to do when it comes to mechanic job, you know. So I'm trying to use that slide hammer. It looked kind of funny, but I didn't give up. I just keep trying. So I got a little friend of mine. I got my coworker trying to help me out, trying to pry the fuel injector fuel rail at the same time with me, but he gave up also. So he told me to take a break, but I didn't stop. I just kept going. So eventually, right there, I kind of like got it. I broke it loose, and I ended up using some PB blaster and soak it up. I soaked it up at least 2 minutes, and then I went back there and wiggled the fuel injector side to side. So I'm trying to break it loose from the cylinder head. So right there, finally got it going. I'm slowly trying to move it side to side, wiggle it left and right, and eventually got it off, man. It was kind of surprising, but if you do this type of job, guys, man, it's not easy. So don't give up, man. I almost gave up. I stood still and kept going, and guess what? There it is, man. Finally got it off, just like that. Yep, fuel injector. Got it off finally. Never again, but I guess I have to deal with it next time. So if you learned something on this video, guys, don't give up, man. Keep going. We'll get it done eventually.